has issued a tornado warning for southern Aiken County in central South Carolina, Barnwell County in central South Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:48 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 8 miles west of Savannah River site, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Savannah River site, Barnwell and Williston. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Report large hail, damaging winds or flooding to your county sheriff, or call the National Weather Service, toll-free 1-877-633-6772. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday evening for East Central Georgia and Central South Carolina. A tornado watch also remains in effect until midnight Eastern Standard Time Thursday morning for Central South Carolina.
Understand that no love is worth the thing that you feel. Now you're running out of pain, and all these feelings feel the same. So you close your eyes and wish it all away. And I lie awake, and I try to say anything I know just to ease your pain, but you hide away where no one can see, and it's only you that can set you free. Time has come again.